With deep gratitude for every year we have spent together and the thousands of beautiful memories shared, we have mutually decided to separate as a couple, the pair wrote in a joint statement via Instagram on Thursday, June 13th. This decision isn't one we have come to easily or lightly. We love and respect each other as parents, people and artists, and look forward to maintaining the best parts of our relationship for many years to come. The post concluded, "Your discretion in this matter is kindly requested for the sake of our children during this time of transition. Thank you to those of you who are already aware, for your tremendous compassion and understanding. Lots of love." Rachael and Daniel Cook shared marriage advice too. "Something I need to learn myself is it's a wonderful thing to be self-sufficient, but it's also good to be actively vulnerable so your partner can feel needed as well," she explained to us. "That's an important part of a partnership because it defines their role as your rock in this life. It's something that I need to get a little bit better at."